Winters in Kentucky, they're cold enough to make you grumpy, especially if your wall's made out of tarp. But at times the Spirit uses the cold and those with bruises, turns their hearts into works of art. And I've seen the fruit. Even in the summer months, that warm air don't fix much when there's critters' skins hung up on the walls. And a man can't be a father when instead of water he quenches his thirst with alcohol. But I've seen the fruit. I see a heart patient and kind, and through the years your goodness has shaped mine. And given my heart peace. When you were a young girl, all of the angelic voices must have rung out like some old noisy gong. Clanging cymbals sound and the prophets sulk around, 'cause they don't have love of their own. But I've seen the fruit. Didn't mope around to rot in that cursed ground. God helped you find your way out of the thorns. Though those thistles tried to keep you by their side, you let the Spirit heal the leaves they torn. And I've seen the fruit. I've learned gentleness is strength, that joy and life need love to mean a thing.